Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So today I am going to show you what our setup looks like for butchering our meat chickens. So let's start off with where we're going to be keeping our meat chickens prior to butcher day. We have our setup right here. Right here by the barn, we have this whole section fenced off, and this is where we usually keep our broody mamas and her chicks when she hatches them. And that way they can kind of introduce the chicks how to scratch and look for food without fear of the other chickens attacking them. So this is where we're going to keep our meat birds day before processing day. That way they're nice and close. We don't have to chase or go underneath anything to get them. They'll be easy to grab right there. After picking the birds that we're taking at the moment, we will walk over to our kill cones. And here we have 3 kill cones that we made out of 5-gallon buckets. And these are food grade buckets that we used. From kill cone, we have our scalder with our propane tanks. Once you have killed your chickens, we bring them over here and we dunk them in the scalding water. Temperature needs to be between 165, 170 when you are scalding your chickens. You're gonna dunk them in 3 times. When you pull them out, you're gonna pull some feathers. If the feathers come out really easy, you're good. If they're still hard to pull out, dunk it a few more times, swish it around, and then try that again. Once you're done scalding your chickens, we take it over to our plucker. And this plucker, you can put up to 3 chickens in there at a time to get all the feathers taken off. If you do not have a plucker, you are your plucker. So then you will be taking it to your table and plucking it over there. After that, we come to our table. This is where we'll eviscerate the chickens. We will remove the head. We will take off any of the intestines that we don't want, and you keep what you do want. Then we take it over to our coolers. The first one has water and vinegar inside of it, and this is just a quick cleanse for your chickens. You're only leaving it in there for 1 to 5 minutes. After that, you put it into your ice bath, and this is where it stays to cool while you complete the rest of your chickens. The ice bath is also to help stop the cooking process of your chicken or turkey, duck, whatever you're doing. One thing I do want to mention, after every chicken, you need to wash down your station. We will be using vinegar. This is how we are going to be cleaning our tables and our knives in between each butchering. No bleach, just good old vinegar. That is a perfect disinfectant. You don't need bleach. Don't use bleach, not unless you want bleach all over your chickens. Another key factor to know when you are processing your chickens and you're going through all the intestines, if you happen to nick the bowel, go ahead and throw away all those guts. If you nick the gallbladder and you see green stuff coming all over and it hits your chicken, that chicken is done for. You do not keep that chicken. That chicken has been contaminated with the gallbladder and you cannot eat that. That's bad. So that chicken is done. So you want to be very, very careful when you are eviscerating your chickens. Go ahead and remove all the intestines from the chicken, put it aside, finish with your chicken, go ahead and put your chicken in the ice bath, then go back and try to remove the liver, the heart, and the gizzards from the intestines. That way, if you happen to nick the gallbladder, you're just throwing away the guts. You're not keeping any of that, and you're not damaging your actual chicken. All right, friends, so I hope this helps when it comes time for you to be processing your chickens. What we are going to be using are some boning knives and some boning scissors. These are able to cut through bone, so this helps cut off the neck or anything else that I'm struggling to cut off. With the knife, I can always use my scissors. After your chicken has been sitting in the ice bath for the day, we're going to go ahead and then bag our chickens. And you can do this in several different ways. Either you can put them in vacuum seal bags, you can piece them out, or put them in vacuum seal bags. We are going to be using both methods. We have big bags so that we have whole chickens in the freezer. And then we will also be piecing out our chickens, so we have different parts in the freezer to use however we want. All right, friends, so that is our setup for our processing day here on the homestead, and that is how we set it up every time that we do our chicken processing. And now for some really exciting news. We have officially partnered with our extension office in offering a chicken processing class to the community here on the homestead. And I am so excited to see what kind of turnout we're gonna have for our chicken processing workshop. Now, for all of my friends here on YouTube, if you would like to come to a chicken processing class here on the homestead, send me your information through email, and I will let you know the dates and the times that we will be offering processing classes here on the homestead. This is really an exciting time, and I am so excited to be having these classes available to the community as well as to all of my friends here on YouTube. So friends, if you are interested, definitely let me know, send me an email. And I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.